Have some family fun and make a rolling game. Challenge someone at home to take the paper cup and be able to roll it into position 1 like we just did, or position 3, or park the rolling cup in the garage, or take our cups and be able to roll it right at the bottom of our ramp. You can write on your ramp to label top, position 1, bottom, and position 3. And to even make it more fun, you can bring in other objects. So Mrs. Bastian picked up a little funnel, and you might expect that the small area, since it is facing right, it should roll off to position 1. Let's see if I'm right. And it does. It rolls off the ramp to the right. That smaller area is going to guide the direction. So let's see if this smaller section facing the left will roll to position 3. And it does. Or I might take a measuring cup. Again, the small area is facing right. Will my cup roll down the ramp? It does. It rolls to position 1. Let me turn it the other direction. And it rolls to position 3. Now, do you think either one of these will roll straight to the bottom based on what you learned with this double cup system? You're right, it won't. So then if I'm playing with a family member, I might use something like this and say, and this will be what I roll to the bottom. So have some family fun. Find objects in your house that are safe to roll, no glass, nothing that's breakable, and challenge a family member with a simple game, a rolling game that you make yourself at home. Most of all, think about motion and the fun things that you could do with motion inside of your home.